Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bagels healthy full guide. Start by swapping refined flour for whole grain flours and cut added sugar while keeping chewiness with proper hydration. I will walk you through dough mixing, proofing tips, and shaping techniques that preserve texture while increasing nutrition. You will learn topping ideas, baking adjustments, and simple swaps to lower calories without losing classic bagel flavor. I will explain ingredient swaps and measurements that make a healthier bagel without sacrificing taste. Learn to balance whole grain flours with a touch of all-purpose, use Greek yogurt for protein and moisture, and measure salt precisely to control sodium. I describe how to incorporate seeds, legumes, or pureed vegetables for extra fiber and vitamins, plus tips to keep dough elastic for that classic, satisfying chew. I will help you master the bagel process from proofing to baking with simple timing and temperature cues. We cover ideal hydration percentages, gentle kneading methods, and short boiling with a touch of sweetener for authentic crust and shine. I explain how to shape rings, score properly, and use a preheated stone or steel to get a crisp exterior while keeping the crumbs soft and satisfying every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.